happy. So stay tuned for 1st of December. That's when my Vlogmas intro is going live. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'm so happy to tell you that I have finally finished editing my Vlogmas intro. I edited it about a few days ago, and since then I have shown it to a couple of my patients and they love it so much, which makes me so happy. You know, like in-person feedback makes me so happy. I'm always constantly asking my patients, you know, I show my videos to my patients and I'm constantly asking, what do you think about it? You know, what kind of vibe you get from my videos? And most of them say that it's very calming and relaxing, and that's what I want to achieve from my videos, and it makes me so happy. And most of my patients are like over 60, and most of them don't even know much about YouTube and don't watch YouTube. So I kind of explain to them what's YouTube and what I'm trying to do on YouTube. And yeah, they give me a really nice feedback for my Vlogmas intro, and I am so happy. So stay tuned for 1st of December. That's when my Vlogmas intro is going live, and I cannot wait. So all the videos I post in December, the Vlogmas intro is going to be at the beginning of those videos. And yeah, it's so beautiful. I am so happy and proud of myself because it was my first attempt, and I think it looks quite nice for someone who is doing it for the first time. Anyways, today me, John and Ziggy are going to Petersfield. Petersfield is in East Hampshire. It's the countryside and it is a pretty market town. We are hoping to do some charity shopping there and pop into a few like independent shops, and hopefully there's a market there today. If there isn't, it's okay because I know Petersfield is filled with lots of shops. So I'm looking forward to do a bit of charity shopping, and then we are going for a nice walk in this quaint English village called East Meon. East Meon is about 2 miles away from Petersfield, and me and John have been there before. Actually, we went there with Ziggy as well, and last time we did a different walk, but this time we are doing more of a scenic walk in the village. And there's a lovely beautiful river flowing through the middle of the village, and it's so pretty, and I'll take you guys along with me. There's also this old pub, just one pub in the village, and we popped in there last time just for drinks, I think. So this time we are hoping to get some light lunch or snacks or something. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I love old pubs so much, and yeah, it's going to be a nice relaxing vlog, and I'll take you guys along with me. So let's go. Ziggy, come here. Look at the mud on the side of your face. It's poo. We are just at the top of the hill, and there is a stunning view behind me. And just behind me there is a dried cornfield. The air is quite fresh actually. I thought I was going to be cold, so I brought my coat, but I am absolutely sweating and my hair is quite messy. I think there's some moisture in the air. We're just about to head back. We are going to go for lunch at the pub down in the village. And before that, we need to think of how to clean Ziggy because he has rolled around in poo. So yeah, we need to do that, clean him up quickly, and then we're gonna head for a nice lunch at the pub. As you can see, Ziggy loves this place and he's quite fascinated by all the crows. There's quite a bit here. Silly dog. Look at him, look at him. No, Ziggy, leave. He's having the best time. Absolutely loving it. Ziggy! Hey. This way! The beautiful village church. And the sun is coming out. The weather is getting a lot more beautiful. Here is the pub we are going to, but before that, John is going to change his shoes and we're going to clean up Ziggy and then we're going to head in. Not sure about the name of the river, but it adds so much beauty into this quaint village. How lucky to be able to live here. Let's go! You hungry?
Oh, yeah. How muddy are your boots? Not really, are you?
It's not muddy.
Why?
I don't think so. I think it's quite clean. I think I'll be alright. Let's go! So many muddy boots here. We have just finished up with our lunch and now we are heading to Petersfield. It's about 15 minutes from East Meon village. So we're gonna head there. It's nearly 3 o'clock, so we got about a couple of hours to do a bit of charity shopping, pop into the shops. So let's go. Just walking around the church in Petersfield and look at these houses. So pretty. I'd love to live here. Wow, this one. So adorable. We are now heading to Josie's for a cup of tea. Mr. Tan is craving for a cup of tea. Is he open?
Yeah,
Let's go. I love the shutters. Oh, new way house. Very pretty. The muddiest dog in the town, Mr. Ziggy Town. Ziggy? Look at you. Look at you. You're having the best day, aren't you? Aren't you, Ziggy? I have just come out of this shop and I'm on Ziggy duty. I've just sent John back in to look at the tweed jacket and it seems like he has found one. I absolutely love these suitcases, the old-fashioned ones, just to decorate the corner of your house. Hello beautiful people, we just got home and I'm just about to make myself a nice cup of chai latte, but before that I thought I'd give you guys a little debrief of what we did today. So the village East Meon was so pretty. I have been there before, so I knew how pretty it was. But yeah, it is stunning village. First thing we did was we walked around the church and then we walked up the hill. The view from the top of the hill was absolutely breathtaking. Ziggy loved it so much as well. So yeah, we walked up the hill and then we walked down the hill, and after that we had a nice lunch in this old pub. We had this lovely goat's cheese, fig and honey sandwich and triple cooked chips on the side, which was scrumptious. It was lovely. And Ziggy, oh my god, he's been so naughty today. He's been rolling around in poo in the field, and we were quite worried that the pub people were not going to let him in because he was covered with poo. He had a huge patch of poo on his neck, so we were quite worried, but fortunately they let him in. And actually the server guy loved him so much. He was giving Ziggy like so many treats and huge treats, so he's been really lucky. So yeah, after our pub lunch we drove to Petersfield. We popped into a few charity shops. We must have got into about 5 different charity shops, and I was not very lucky with it, unfortunately, but John was. He found this lovely Reese coat, black coat, and the original price must have been at least £200, but he got it for £20, so he was very lucky. Unfortunately I wasn't, but there were so many pretty shops in Petersfield. Like there were charity shops and there were also other shops like this Edinburgh wooden mill shop, there was jewels shop, and also this antique shop which I loved so much. So this shop had so many antique crockery, antique furniture and also vintage clothes. I tried a couple of hats in this store and I loved it, but not enough to commit to it. And also the hats were quite expensive. The first one was like £30. I was more inclined towards that hat, but it was, I think, too much for what it looked like. It's such a good brand, the quality was top notch, but I didn't like it enough to commit to it. And the second hat, I didn't like it too much, so I didn't buy anything. But that shop was absolutely beautiful. Me and John have already made plans to go back there, probably without Ziggy next time, because so many times I popped into the shop, but bless him, John had to wait outside because we were with the dog. But anyways, we had so much fun today and it was a huge success. Now I am home. I'm in charge of making dinner. I'm making chicken curry with some kidney beans and it's going to be scrumptious. So after my chai latte, I'm gonna get cooking and I'll probably show you guys how it looks like at the end of my cooking. So yeah. Who is this? Who is this handsome boy? Ziggy just had a bath and he is squeaky clean now. Handsome boy. You want to come in? Ziggy. So handsome. Curry is all ready. I decided to go for kidney beans and also cannellini beans. It smells amazing. It's all done. I'm just cooking it in low heat while the rice is getting done. Rice probably has about 5 more minutes and then it's all ready. Dinner is all ready. I'm going to serve me and John. Oh, it smells so lovely. How much curry would you like, Babu? A little bit more?
Thank you.
Okay. And we're gonna enjoy a couple of episodes of House of Guinness while enjoying our dinner. So yeah. Good morning. Good morning. You've woken up so excited. You've woken up feeling so excited, honey. Come here. I know what you want. I know what you want. I know what you want. Ziggy. He had a really nice bath yesterday and he looks so clean. He looks so clean, doesn't he? Look at you. Look at you. Such a lovely boy. I love you so much.
Hello, you know the way? Hello, bye-bye.
Like I'm nuts. This is great. And they love that. They love being like. This is William. They're really big. They're pygmies, but yeah. And this is Heidi. Hi, Dottie. Hi.
If you don't like it, then you can just let me know. She's so chubby. Like a little brush. Like a little brush. You having fun?
Yes.
We are doing some farm work today here in the farm. Oh, hello there. Do you like some brush?
You're so chill, aren't you?
Yeah. They're lovely. Village girl. There you go.
Lovely.
Yeah, we did lose 2 last year, so
There you
we're
go,
sort of
lovely.
thinking we should get some youngsters to add to the herd to keep them, keep them going.
Keep them moving.
Hello, fruit. This is fruit and black one is nut. Hello. So fluffy. Here is the fruit.
Put it the right way round. Coming.
I love the way they eat.
There you go.
Look at the size of fruit compared to that.
I know. Fruit keeps eating all the dandelions.
Oh my god, they are just adorable. Completely. Yeah.
We can walk, but we walk round. Wow. Wow, here they come. Good girls.
I'm always covered in mud. So we still don't know. I mean, it's like when we're wearing a suit. So
You have to watch their weights. They come out of this grass just for a few hours because if they're out all the time, they get seriously overweight. So we have to restrict their grazing. Every year we have people come and help us to breed them. We used to have babies every year, but now they've just right. So what we oh my goodness! Yay!
That's enough. Tilt it over.
go on, girl. Hey! That's very impressive. Very impressive. Hey!
Hello everyone, it is nearly 5 o'clock and this is the first time I'm turning the camera on to speak to you guys, so apologize, but you saw that I was with my family today at the farm. So John's mom's best friend Julia, she volunteers in this farm in Minstead in New Forest every Sunday and sometimes Thursday, and today she invited us to say hello to the farm animals and to meet the animals and just to kind of volunteer in looking after the animals. So yeah, today we went there. We met the lovely animals. Oh my god, there were 4 goats and I think one of the goats' name was Michael and I can't remember the rest of them, but they were Kate, I think. Kate, Michael, and I can't remember the rest 2 of them, but They were so cute. They had cute chubby tummies and it was so lovely. We brushed them, we fed them porridge, we fed them carrots, and it was so lovely. We also met a couple of donkeys. One of them was Alfie, the other one was Jack. We fed the donkeys, we brushed them. It was so lovely. And then there were a couple of pigs. One of them was called Nettle and the other one was called Gertrude. They were so cute, and oh my god, huge animals. I did not know that pigs are so big. I think this is the first time I've seen a pig as big as them. And also there were a couple of rabbits. I believe one of them was called Fruit and the other one was called Nut. The white fluffy one was called Fruit, and she was definitely a dominant one because every time we were trying to feed them like dandelions, Fruit would just come up to the front and just get the dandelions before Nut could get it, and Nut was a bit more shy one. But yeah, wow, what an experience working in the farm, looking after the animals, and I think we will definitely do it again as a family because that was such a wonderful experience. After the farm, we all went to the pub, which was local. It's called the Swan Inn, and we had a lovely lunch. I had lasagna and chips. It was just the perfect portion for me because my appetite is not that great anyway, so that was the perfect amount of lunch for me. And then we headed home. Emma drove all of us, and on the way back, me and John fell asleep in the car because we were absolutely exhausted. I think you saw in one of those clips, I was kind of pushing the wheelbarrow, and to work in a farm, you have to be strong because it's such an exhausting job. Anyways, it was a lovely day. So this evening, I don't have much plans. We are not cooking because we had such big lunch. We'll probably have like something small, maybe a bowl of porridge or some snack instead of a big dinner. So after speaking to you guys, I'm actually planning to maybe sit down and watch a YouTube video or two and just have a lovely relaxing evening. I'm working next 3 days, so I need to prepare for that as well, make some lunch and breakfast for work and things like that. But yeah, I thought I'd just sit down and give you guys a little debrief of what we did today. Anyways, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I love you all so much and thank you for watching. And I also wanted to ask you guys about what you think about my videos and give me an honest feedback, a review of what do you think about my videos, and if you like it, if you don't like it. Yeah, just an honest feedback. Thank you so much, and I think I'll say goodbye to you now. So goodbye.